Stop scrolling. Imagine making your first $100 online this week. No fancy degree, no boss breathing down your neck, just your phone or laptop and a little hustle. In the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down 3 proven ways you can start earning from home today. Stick around because number 3 is a total game changer. Welcome to Digital Wealth Builder, where we turn your spare time into real income streams. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to build your own online business, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and ring that bell for weekly, no-fluff tutorials on making money online. Let's build your empire together. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. First up, affiliate marketing. This is hands down one of the fastest ways to start earning online, even if you're a total beginner. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service using a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. No inventory, no customer support, just pure commission. Step 1. Pick a niche you care about. Fitness, tech gadgets, budgeting, you name it. Step 2. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Step 3. Start creating content. YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or even simple blogs where you review or recommend products. Pro tip, focus on higher ticket items. Promoting a $500 course that pays $100 commission is way more efficient than a $10 gadget for $1. And always be authentic. People can spot a fake review a mile away. Affiliate marketing is trending right now because it's scalable and flexible. Plus, with search terms like 77, make money online, and 74, affiliate marketing. Surging in 2025, there's never been a better time to jump in. Method 2, print on demand. Next, let's talk about print on demand. Perfect if you're creative or want a passive income stream. Here's the deal. You design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, upload them to sites like Printful, Printify, or Teespring, and when someone buys, the platform prints and ships your product for you. No upfront costs, no inventory headaches. Action steps. Research trending niches with tools like Google Trends or Pinterest. Think pet lovers, motivational quotes, or viral memes. Use free design tools like Canva or GIMP to create simple, catchy designs. Upload your designs to multiple platforms to maximize exposure. The secret? Know your audience. For example, dog lovers will pay more for a funny, relatable shirt in a pet Facebook group than on a generic marketplace. Keep your designs fresh and test what works. Method 3. Digital product creation. Ready for the big leagues? Digital products. This is the most scalable method. Create something once, sell it forever. Think ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, or photo presets. How to start? Identify a skill or knowledge you have. Budgeting, photography, Excel, anything. Create a simple product that solves a problem. For example, a budgeting template or a quick start guide. Sell on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy. Price your product based on the value it delivers, not just the effort you put in. Why digital products? Zero shipping, zero inventory, and unlimited sales potential. Plus, with keywords like 73, work from home, and 71, digital products. Trending, there's a massive audience waiting for your expertise. So, which method are you going to try first? Affiliate marketing, print on demand, or digital products? Drop your choice in the comments below. If you got value from this, smash that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides every single week. Remember, consistent action beats endless research every time. Pick one method, go all in, and watch your online income grow. Your financial freedom starts now. Let's build your empire $1 at a time. Champion. Thanks for watching Digital Wealth Builder. See you in the next video. Keep hustling.